So guys,
Oh my
today
god.
Why are you clicking a photo?
not his photo, it will make
When you
it
go to
video.
Idgah, then you will click a photo.
I will go Idgah and I try to speak English.
I'm making video, not
Okay.
clicking
Where is
photo. Okay?
So firstly you go.
Where is
Yes.
We have
Atif
to.
Aslam, the only one singer as
We
a
are- today we are
Don't
going
ask
to-
don't one
does
singer.
not matter.
In the
Every
world,
singer
we
about
are going to
very
the
sad.
We are going to
Very
Idgah
sad.
for,
today we are
It
going
is a
to
bargain.
making a vlog
yes, yes.
because
Nasir,
sir,
please
our
side,
sir,
please side, please side.
our
Yes,
sir,
yes.
Come here, Saif. Where?
Sir,
Come
you can
here.
see.
Come here, come
He-
here. You can see that
Here, take off your side, but it's a side. So I am not crossing him.
let's go, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, bro.
So this video, I think 5 and 6 million views.
Inshallah,
Exactly,
inshallah,
inshallah.
inshallah.
On my reels,
6
and
million
every person on the upload the video.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
okay.
Okay?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, come here. Farhan,
Come here.
come,
Everyone come here.
come.
I am here.
Come. In front of
Not,
the video. Go.
not anyone run away, okay?
Go to this side.
No.
From here.
Let's go from
This
here.
is the Idgah.
Where is it?
I need some
Idgah is
rest.
not-
I need some rest.
It is not Idgah.
Yes, yes.
Please listen my words. I need some rest. So please
We are
let me
going
go
to-
academy.
No.
We are going to your house.
You need to take chewing gum. No. You need to take chewing gum.
No, thank you.
No. Okay.
Sir
Listen.
said only practice, don't take singam.
Please explain
Come here,
English.
boy, come here.
It's not speak or Hindi or Spanish.
Why are you
Yes.
after?
Why are you going to outside?
I can
Where are you going to
only
outside?
speak
You have to
English.
leave in on front
Yes.
of camera, okay?
Look here,
Yes,
look here,
yes,
look
Look
here.
here.
Look here, bro, look here.
Look camera on the back. Behind the scene.
Yes, it's
Yes,
a very
it is
beautiful
very,
scene.
I want
wonderful
I want to change my t-shirt.
Please,
On air.
guys, you can say here. It is very
You
wonderful
are
moment.
here for
Yes,
glasses,
yes.
sunglasses. Where?
We are going to.
Yes, yes, yes.
We are going
Perfect.
want to.
Right now, we going
And,
to Idgah.
How
So
far?
after that, I conversation.
How far is that?
Like Idgah is in front of transformer.
Oh, this is Idgah.
I don't care everybody. So when
Yes,
reach
yes,
the
yes.
Idgah,
We should not don't
reach
don't
Idgah,
hear
How long
everybody.
does not matter everything about.
This is gate.
I'm not
Yes. Yes.
No, guys,
It's here.
from here.
From here.
Okay, bro.
Let's go from
So reaction is so hard. Like
Today is.
I am not imagining it. So come here, guys. Come.
Come here, bro.
Or behind you. Come
Yes.
fast, yeah.
This is proud of
Everyone
my
see, yeah.
academy, MLH Academy.
Everyone see to us.
Yes. Come here. Record of.
Where is
So,
where is
this,
Idgah? This is Idgah.
This
Enter to Idgah.
Yes.
Please enter Idgah on.
Here.
We have to
Now
reach
we reach
Idgah.
Idgah. Yes. Now
No.
we are reaching Idgah.
We have
Capture the
reached
Idgah. Capture the
Idgah.
Idgah.
Yes, you can see.
It is
This
Idgah. It is
Idgah
a very
of Mao.
large Idgah.
And what do you think about
Look at
this
me.
Idgah?
Look at me.
You can see this is Hazim Jamal.
Come.
Come here, bro.
Come here.
Oh,
There is Fran and Abdurrahman.
yes.
Why
He is.
going to here?
Come here, yeah.
Why going to there?
They both of them.
Speak very fast. It's bad manners.
Nadim,
So I want.
I think
Yes.
I think
Okay.
we should go to from here because
Farhan.
it is
Farhan,
that place
come
is
here.
very amazing.
Can you speak?
we should go to front of gate.
Yes. Okay. Again, you call your son. Please come here.
Hey,
Come here, bro.
So I.
Come here, come here.
No, come.
We are going.
I'm feeling imagining every person.
We are not
This is a data cable.
So capture the every
We
person.
have
Not every
yes,
person
yes.
capture.
Reach, in Idgah.
I go to Banaras or Sarnath or any city,
Yes.
when I hot conversation on foreigner.
Yes, yes, of
Yes,
course.
So
of
I
course.
want,
Yes,
I
very
need.
hard.
So,
That's why-
so
Guys,
capture the yes.
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 Guys, you can see this is a gate of Idgah in Mau. Okay, this is a gate of
Gate
Idgah.
of Idgah, yes.
Yes.
And now I am at Mau Idgah. You can see this is the southern gate, main gate. This is, and everyone is my friends.
This reel
Yes,
after uploading,
yes,
it's a guaranteed.
yes.
What guaranteed?
I think 10 or 11 million.
Inshallah.
It's my guarantee.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
You can see.
Yes.
This is my also
This is,
friend.
also my friend Farhan and Abdurrahman.
Farhan and Abdurrahman coming.
Come
Come here.
There is my group.
Why are you not speaking in English?
Why?
Yes,
No.
you have to speak now.
You have to
Because
speak English, okay?
Because
You have to
Nadeem,
speak.
Nadeem said the leader.
If you not, if you this is
Farhan.
sir, you can see Farhan is what's Farhan?
Farhan is going away
Yes.
from.
You can see this is
from
Farhan.
How much time?
6 minutes only.
Let's
Come
go
here, come here, come
to
here.
coaching.
So please go. Okay.
How much time?
No, there. What? After that, I am going to there. After that,
You can see this is children.
after that, most
Everyone
around here.
come to see our group.
Yes. This is
Some children
also.
Some children
are also not speaking. Why
No,
not
no,
you
I am
speaking?
speaking. You cannot
Yes.
understand my.
Yes.
Yes, you
can do it.
Yes. Continue, bro. If
Why continue?
I think if this
You-
reel
You
will
ask any
viral,
question.
viral.
You
Yes.
ask any question and I can answer
only
the
for
question.
Look at here. This is also fan of Aryan Kelvin. So it's viral reels. This, he's smiling, bro. He's smiling.
What do you think about it? Putting
you can see, sir. You can see this is Farhan. Is
Always distant.
only speak Hindi, not speaking in English on any time.
What do you
He
think
said
about
crazy,
Sar Farhan
why?
now?
He's only
I
distant for
think
people.
he is not practice.
Why?
He will not
The
speak English
children
after
also
1 month.
try to speak English. The children.
Not go to academy. Sir said.
Okay,
Come there.
I think. Okay, I think return. Okay, let's go.
Why are you
Let's go. Let's go.
What's the time doing?
No,
What time?
I think go there. After that, go there.
We have now. We have
Capture
also
the
15 minutes. You can
children.
see this is
Enjoying.
You already
some children enjoying playing from here and playing. Some children playing here.
Let's go from there.
Okay, now
Go there.
So
what's happening?
Nothing.
Please go to Tanki.
Does not matter. Everybody
pani tanki.
about.
What do you think about this?
Maybe
What
any person.
I am not proper
for video.
Yes.
That's why.
So proof of my.
This is Muskan. You can see.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not reason of viral video. It's a reason of Hazi Badis.
what
Like-
Ahadi is not a reason of
Like
Hadi
Atif
to practice.
Atif Aslam.
Why do you like Atif Aslam? Why
Why
is
because
that?
Atif Aslam is the honest nowadays.
Many people
nowadays.
honest. Also, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam also
Yes,
very honest.
it's
Why
not.
do
It's not idol of Atif Aslam because just like because nowadays album
If you
released the
always
album.
talk about Atif
No,
Aslam, I will kill you.
Yes. Turn off camera.
What
turn
do you
off
think
camera.
about?
Let me capture
Yes.
Farhan.
What do you think about
He is
Preeti Singh?
alone walking only.
Turn off camera.
Yeah.
Yes, turn off.
Yeah. This is Abdul Rahman.
Not here.
Abdul Rahman is don't practicing.
Why do not practice?
So,
Please don't get on the.
I think everybody
I think-
are practicing. But I think only
Everybody,
only
everybody notice is very
Someone is coming here. Someone is coming
Nowadays,
here.
now-
Some
now-
girls is coming here.
nowadays
in the
album
Kelvin.
release
These are
album.
our
No,
and
no.
the-
Slowly,
they go
slowly,
very
slowly,
fast.
slowly. You have not made this group. Why you listen carefully?
Yes.
Nowadays, release album of Atif Aslam, Subha and Ishq
Can you
Mein
come
Hoon.
this side?
Yes.
Because
Why, sir? You went
Yes.
three girls.
Please come to
No,
You can see, you can see.
no. I cannot see. I cannot see because there are a lot of people. It's not because the only girl classmates, but it's a way of properly vlog. How much time? They are of their classmates.
Yes.
How much time? How much time?
We have
No, no.
We have
going to academy.
10 minutes. We have 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
I think please start this side. Please start, bro.
Yes, yes.
Take on your phone.
Yes.
Okay. So, please want to listen Atif Aslam song?
No, I do not know.
Yes.
No.
Fans, my fans reaction. Wow, like wow.
Long. No. Please.
Here is Talimuddin Niswa.
Listen, bro.
Okay.
Farhan is
Farhan, you don't speak it.
not
Yes,
speaking.
sir,
do
Farhan
not
is not.
Reaction
and
on
also he-
people.
You can see he run away at academy and
Reaction on people. Reaction on people.
Let's go coaching.
Reaction on people.
And
Okay,
after
after
that,
that,
Talmud
they are
people
going,
say-
going to their
मौका भी ले लो।
after that going to academy.
पीपल से मौका भी ले लो वीडियो में
So reaction, Nadeem sir, reaction on a lot of people. Wow, but some people
Where
is
is people? People is where your
watching
Emirates.
negative things.
Academy going now.
Let's go, yeah.
And when will you go
Not,
to Kelvin?
I feel tired. Only I think 15 minutes.
what is the name of this palace?
I think Paharpura. I think.
This is also
Yes. Vlogging time. Reaction.
Name of this
Yes.
road.
I think
Speak-
Paharpura.
loudly,
I think
speak
we should
Yes.
Let's go from there.
Yes.
Who do you like? Who do you like? What do you think about?
Yes. Yeah, hello guys. Yes.
Oh, what
This
are
is
you?
my first vlog with my all classmates.
This is our first
So
vlog.
what about you? I have creative mind, creative lot of. So before the I think before the today, I was sad, but now right now I am very happy because starting vlogging and after that uploading one by one
we
reels.
should thankful for MR sir. For,
Yes, MR sir, and
for
because
giving
this
this opportunity.
Yes, thank you sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
People, lot of people view the capture the reels, capture the.
There are many lots of people.
Reaction of
From now we will go
reaction.
Every people see us to us and
Reaction.
we are reacting.
There are reaction.
Okay.
Other side.
There are
My mission
lots
is,
of people.
sir. We mission is completed already. Completed. After that, I reach the academy. Yes. That's enough. Enough. No.
their mission is successful.
Yes. So my fans are excited to watching vlog.
Our mission is
Inshallah.
reached.
I will upload it in Insta and Facebook. Yes, I will upload inshallah.
And when we go on the grass, we don't.
Now we are reaching academy and when we are reaching, when will I reach academy, sir also will see this video and
So now I feel very thirsty because it's the first time this kind of task, but very funny, very funny. This is my proof
Because
and proud of.
everything. Even you can't doing
I can
practice,
see
you
anything.
can't able to speak English. Okay?
I can do anything does not matter everything. So
And
finally reach the
finally we are reached at academy. This is MLH Academy. You
I
can see.
can reach the
This
academy.
is the main gate of MLH,
Complete
MLH
now.
Academy.
Yes.
And you can see this is main gate of MLH Academy. We are reached finally.
So